Today, we're going to show you how to install a NetBeez remote Windows agent from a manual installation standpoint. Do note, if you have a centralized management system such as Intune, you can easily package up the MSI installer and roll it out to all your computers very easily. But in this case, we're going to show you how to do it manually, so let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and get this agent installed. As you'll see here, we only have one remote worker agent currently set up. So go to the question mark in the top right hand corner and go to online documentation, and then go to the articles that has star called install NetBeez agents. Then under remote worker agents, you're going to go to option 4 for the Windows agent, and then you're going to click on the link to go to our GitHub repository. And here you'll see the MSI installer and simply click it to download. Once you run the installer, you'll click next, and then you'll need to grab your secret key. To do so, go to the dashboard, top right hand corner to the sprocket, and then copy the secret equals section. And then you'll go ahead and drop that into the secret key portion. You'll see the laptop name is automatically pulled, so if you're running AD, it'll automatically fill it for you. Click next, and you'll see start on boot, auto update, everything's automatically selected. Click next, install, and then screen will prompt you to click OK, and then you'll just wait for it to finish installing. As we finish, you'll see the tray icon automatically launch the application. We're going to go to the agent section. You can see here the agent is installed. We're going to go ahead and rename it since this laptop's not part of a centralized management system. You can see all of the default tests are automatically configured automatically. And then we're going to take a quick look at the licensing here, and you can see we now have 2 of the total 10 that were allotted for this installation. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at success@netbeez.net.